In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Gmail from trimming content in messages. If you've ever opened an email and felt like parts of it were missing or tucked away, you've run into Gmail's trimming and conversation features. While we can't force Gmail to show every last repeated line in a single long message, we can make what you see much clearer by turning off Conversation View and adjusting your inbox snippets. I'll walk you through both changes and explain what they actually do. First, open your browser and log in to Gmail. We'll make these changes in the web version because it gives you full access to all settings. Next, let's address Conversation View. Conversation View groups messages with the same subject together, so they appear as a stack. It's handy for keeping threads tidy, but it can make it feel like parts of a message are hidden inside the stack. To change this, click the gear icon in the top right to open Settings, then select See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll until you find Conversation View. Choose Conversation View off, then scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload. With this off, each email shows up as an individual item in your inbox. This doesn't untrim a single long email, but it prevents multiple emails from getting bundled together in ways that hide context. Now let's clean up the previews you see in your inbox. Gmail shows short snippets of the first lines of each message beneath the subject line. These previews can be confusing if text is clipped because they often show an incomplete slice of the conversation. If you'd prefer not to see those fragments, you can turn them off. Go back to the gear icon, click See All Settings again, and in the General tab, scroll to the Snippets section. Select No Snippets. This hides those short previews in your inbox, so each message displays only the sender and subject. It's a simple change that reduces noise and the impression that content is missing before you even open the email. To recap, you logged into Gmail, turned off Conversation View in Settings so messages no longer stack, and disabled snippets to remove those trimmed previews in your inbox list. Together, these adjustments make it clearer what each email contains and reduce confusion caused by stacked threads and partial previews. While Gmail may still shorten very long or repetitive content inside a single message, your inbox will be easier to scan and messages will be simpler to read. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.